Hello, good evening from here in Jordan. Kumusta po ang lahat? I hope you are in a good health. It's every one of you, every one of us. God is always good into our lives. Ano man yung desire mo sa puso mo, desire ng buhay mo, pagkaloob lang kay Lord. Siya lang ang makapagbibigay. Kahit minsan ginagawa na nga natin ng lahat, ang isang gusto mong makamit, pero mahirap pa rin makamit o kamitin. Pero pag inilaan natin or ibinigay natin kay Lord, walang imposible ang lahat. Lahat ay tutugunin niya, lahat ay ibibigay niya. Minsan sabihin natin na napaka-imposible, pero walang imposible sa pangalan ni Jesus. I trust Him, and you will trust Him too. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Walang imposible sa Kanya. Hi everyone, my name is Milita, originally from Philippines. I am OFW, overseas Filipino worker, for more than almost 18 years here in Middle East. But now I really thanks God because I am a digital business owner. He gives what I wish, He gives what the desire of my heart. He gives the work that I want to be. Why? Because I stay home, working at home, working online, business owner, business digital marketing. Only you have the cell phone and laptop and internet connection. It's easy to follow the system and the whole package, the platform. It's very automated. Kaya kung ano man yung desire ng puso mo na magkaroon ka ng free time, freedom, let's do it together. Kailangan magkaroon ng desire to be a good digital business owner. Walang imposible, walang tinatangi ang negosyong ito, dahil pag ginusto mo ang isang bagay at may desire ka na matuto at gawin, makakamit mo at walang imposible. Kaya ito ay ipinagkaloob din sa akin dahil hinangad ko at desire ng puso ko. Boss free. Yes, boss free. Walang mag-uutos sa'yo. Ikaw ang may hawak ng oras mo. Ikaw ang may hawak kung ano yung oras mong gawin ng trabaho mo. So, you are the CEO. Kung ikaw ay you will take action to do this business. Kaya everyone, mayroon tayong pangarap sa buhay. Mayroon tayong kaalaman na gawin. Dahil everyone is unique at everyone ay pinagkalooban ng Diyos ng isang kakayahan. So, ang kakayahan mong ito, grab it, the opportunity. Kaya, thank you so much. I hope I will see you inside. Just to register in my website www.milita.ramitiri.com. I want to see you inside. Thank you so much.